and today we're going to do a slime review of Kinetic Sand Slime. We don't have extra slime today to be making it, so we're just going to have to work with already made Kinetic Sand Slime. So what you have to, this is a tutorial on how to make it. It's so good. It's like so stretchy, and it's like the best slime I've ever made.
We messed up on every video.
That wasn't it.
We messed up on every video.
But so, it's so good. Please follow these instructions to make Kinetic Sand Slime. It's a new slime that we just invented, hopefully. But all you have to do is take a really jiggly slime. So pretend this is a really jiggly slime.
No offense, Sadie, but I actually tried this with my cousin before.
Did it work?
No offense, yes it did.
Okay,
but then it got hard.
Ours isn't hard.
I know.
So today, what you're gonna do is you're gonna
make a bubble.
Take your jiggly. No, don't make bubbles anymore. They're gonna mess up. So what you do is take a really buttery jiggly. You need a butter jiggly slime.
Butter jiggle.
So you're gonna take your spoon. You're gonna take your kinetic sand, and you're gonna put a little bit of kinetic sand. Keep adding it. We're only gonna put a little bit because we already added a lot. But for you guys, you have to add a lot of it in.
But don't add too much, or else it'll get really, really rough, and you won't be able to mix it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? Okay, I'll take a little bit more too.
And after you've added some in, well, the most satisfying way to do it is just squish it onto it.
Well, I like to mix it up like this.
And then go like that. And, oh, it actually kind of looks like the ice cream or Baskin Robbins. And just mix it up till it's all together and it turns purple. Ours turned really purple a really long time ago.
But we mix it a lot, so now it's like pinkish. But if it's gonna be a little bit like hard, see how mine's ripping a little bit? It's because the kinetic sand actually makes it hard.
You can
but
see it,
if you want to make it kinetic slime, then this isn't how far you're gonna get. You gotta add this slime. It's not like, oh, why did you even add this kinetic sand in the first place if it makes it rippy? Well, then it's not gonna be kinetic sand slime.
Well, if you guys don't like this video, then don't watch it. But we got the secret ingredient.
Water! It makes it so much better. It makes it the slime in the beginning. That was the slime when after we added the water.
And if you have too much water, it's gonna leak. It might just start to.
And it's fine if it leaks because the more water, the better it is.
True.
A while ago, we flooded the whole floor just to make slime.
Yep.
And it was amazing.
Yes, look, we'll do it right now. A little puddle. All we need right now, a little tiny puddle.
Well, I need a Satan floor.
You just destroyed the floor.
It probably looks like goop to you guys, but trust me, it's gonna be good. You
is.
gotta mix it in.
I almost went inside my hair. Here, I'm gonna go get napkins. Oh god, the slime's onto me. Hey, wait, where are the napkins that I used last time? Oh, I'm smart.
All you gotta, basically, if you want it to like suck up all the water to make it like a big puff cloud, all you gotta do is just mix it while it's on the ground. Don't like lift it up like that. You just gotta keep mixing it on the floor.
I just found this.
Just keep mixing it. Wait, Adriana, keep mixing it on the floor, and then it sucks up the water.
That's what it always does. Every time. Trash bin. And it's a good way to knead it.
Just keep doing this until you find out you have the right consistency. So we're going to be doing this for a while now.
And it might be a little bit goopy, but that's how it's supposed to be. And it gets rough. And if it gets rough tomorrow, then just add more water. Or watch this video again if you forgot.
Please, can you give me the towels, please? For the water.
Look, my secret.
That's good slime. This is good slime as well.
Let's grab a whole bunch of paper towels. Sorry if you guys saw my foot. I'm not a bad YouTuber. I mean, I'm a bad YouTuber. I mean, we're both terrible. We don't even know. Well, we do know how to upload videos, but we do not know how to add the beginning. So, sorry, guys.
Well, we know, but we just don't have the money.
Yeah. And we don't have that many viewers. We barely have 0.
We don't even have a subscriber. This is our first video. But how many minutes? 4 minutes? Wow. We should probably have a bonus. We should have a bonus of us playing with the slime. This honestly feels amazing.
Look, Sadie, this is like satisfying. Just go like really
and if
fast.
you feel this texture, guys, jiggle on this. The jiggle is real.
It might rip a little. Like, it might rip a little.
It's like so,
but it's
like,
good.
jiggly. Like, look at this. Watch this. It's like a jiggly, buttery slime, and it's like so good. Like here.
Oh, I want to make this thing jiggle. Jiggle with the wiggle. Oh, I popped it.
This is just so good.
Here, I'm just gonna. Wait, guys. Here's something satisfying that I think is not so satisfying, but it looks kind of satisfying. Wait, move it. Oh, wait, you didn't even see that. See that?
But guys, I want to hear. I want to make you guys. I want to hear like. By the way, that music is Lorenzo. Lorenzo, you want to say hi to our vlog?
No.
No, you already said something. So.
Not supposed to mention the names of the YouTubers.
Your name isn't really Lorenzo. You know that, right?
Fine. This might be the most embarrassing thing of my life.
As you can see, really nice slimes here. This is your slime, by the way. I'm just playing with it.
I don't want to do it.
Shut the
I have to
door.
go put this blanket on top of my cousin. He's sleeping.
Shut the door, Adrian.
No, we'll do it. This is going to be my most regretted life of my choice. My choice of my dad.
So if you guys like this video, comment down below because we worked really hard for these slimes and they're just so satisfying. I don't want to turn off the camera right now, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to make a slime like this,
Okay, that was embarrassing.
so soft, so nice. If you want to make a slime like this, please subscribe, comment down below that you really, really want to make it. And honestly, just send us the pictures if you can. Send us pictures of your slime when you make them, what color they are. Like, just send them. Even send videos of how like jiggly and nice they are. We love you guys so much, and bye.